Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be opening Glossybox. Now then, this is the September edition. Glossybox is about £13 a month. You can buy like a yearly subscription. That's what I bought, and I paid about £100 for it. But here it is. So it is in the usual Glossybox colour. So let's just get into the box. And wow, so it's this box. Just usual Glossybox colour. I said that once, haven't I? Yes, I have. I'm repeating myself today. Right. Oh, wow. It looks very, very interesting. It does. Now, I'm not going to lie to you, I have actually started to watch a few of the videos. Like, I watched a little bit of Pink Poodle 2, and there is a few other YouTubers that has Glossybox as well. So, go and check out Pink Poodle 2. She has two lovely poodles. I adore them. Sorry if you can hear a noise, that's just my son. He has autism. And he makes noises. Sorry about that. Right, so this is just the letter. We don't really need that. So we're going to get into it like so. Ooh, we have got this is interesting. This is really interesting to me. I don't know what it is. Just the box looks interesting. Right, so sorry, you can hear him, he's in the background. But this is my Glossybox, he's not going to ruin it, I'm going to unbox it with you lot. So says it's pure and fabulous, it's a water lily Edio perfume. Oh wow, I will put it to the side and then we'll have a look at it later. Oh, we've got, is this an eye product? I hope it is. No, it's a lip liner. Sorry, it's a lip liner, not an eye product. Oh, we got some wet ones. Now then, these is fantastic in the car. Like if you've just had something to eat and you want to wipe your mouth. These are really, really the best thing to have at hand. And I need these all of the time because my little monkey, well, he's a big monkey. He's an autistic monkey. He has... and makes a mess. So these will be popped into my bag and I'll just take them with me on car journeys or bus journeys or whatever journey I'm on. Right, so this is the Bang Beauty. Oh my, these look good. I don't know what it is, but it just looks good. So it's Bang Beauty. Is it a mineral oil cleanser? I'm interested to see that. This looks a really interesting box this month. It's really got me intrigued. So this is the Scalp Detox. Oh, I love a hair product. So I'm hoping that this might be good. It's a Scalp Detox, evaluated pre-wash treatment. It's a pre-shampoo and treatment. And there we go. Right, okay, so this is a detoxing cleanse mask. I also love these as well. I do love these. We got a face mask in the Look Fantastic box. That was amazing. I do like that. So this is a detox mask. If you want to go, I can't link it at all because I haven't got my computer on me because my son smashed my new computer. I felt like, oh, but he's autistic and he kicked off, so he's worth more to me than a computer is. So I love my son. And this is it. It's empty, so now I'm just going to go and play with the products. First of all, I'm going to try this. I'm going to have a look at this. I might not be able to smell the products as good because I've got garlic on my fingers because I'm trying to grow them because I'm a nail biter and I don't want to be a nail biter. So I'm trying to grow my nails. grown nails will come in handy for this job. Like this. So I'm just going to open this up. My son is on one. I can hear him. Right. It is like a gritty feeling. It smells like a man's aftershave, but I do like it because I like man's aftershave. My favourite one is Million. I love Million. It smells exactly like it. I love the scent of that. I do. That is a really, really nice scent. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but it does say our scalp detox has been specially formulated to care for the skin beneath your hair, helping to improve impurities, to block the pores, and to disrupt hair and scalp health. So directions, all you've got to do is use this 1 to 2 times a week as a pre-wash treatment before cleansing your hair. Wet the hair before applying a generous amount to your scalp. Use your fingertips to massage the product all over the purifying properties to detox the scalp. Thoroughly rinse and cleanse your hair using Grow Gorgeous Cleansing Conditioner Shampoo. So there you go. That's how you use it. So it's a pre-wash treatment. It smells lovely. I could use that as a scent because I just love it. Oh, it's gorgeous. I love that. Right, so then we've got this. This is a mask. And it just says it's a detoxing, bubbling, cleansing mask. So it's going to bubble. It's going to make your face look bubbly. So it says suitable for all skin types. It's a non-drying formula and it gets deep into the pores with blackhead cleansing, refines and pores and reduces oil. Suitable for acne prone skin. I might do a video on this because you'd like to see it, because it's just what you would like to see. Let me know in the comments if you'd like to see me do a video review on this. Right, okay, so then we get into this little interesting box, because it is interesting. It's the Bang Beauty Cleansing. I'm sure it's a cleansing bar. I'm actually just going to open it right now and just see what it is. Oh, no, it's not a cleansing bar. I think that this might be a brow product. Just because I got that, I'm intrigued by that. Right, I'm sure that this might be. Oh, it is. Oh, it is a very pretty little tub. It's a brow product, but I think it could be the wrong one for me. I am not sure. You see it? Can you get it to go darker? It might be interesting. It might just fit. I like it though. It's really nice. I don't know if it will have stayability. My one that I use is Adele and I love it. So that is that one. And then these are just like wet wipes, but as I said, they're really handy to have. And the dermatologist tested, so that seems to be good. Kills 99% of bacteria. Well, that is exactly what you want. This is ideal as well for, you know, like where babies eat. Oh, I'm trying to think of the name. It's so many years ago since I used one. You know, like where babies eat, the sitting chairs. I will get it actually. Right. This is handy for that because it kills 99% of the bacteria as well. So wherever babies eat, wherever children eat, clean the table with this. Pretty good. Then we got this, didn't we? Now then, this is the Model Co. Karl Lagerfeld lip liner, and it's in rose. I usually suit rose colours. I don't know if I'll suit this one. So we will try. The box being a little troublesome. It's being a little troublesome. This little box. Come on, get out. Oh, Does anybody else have this trouble with boxes? They just don't want to open. They just... Right, so that's it there. It looks a really nice colour. Right, okay, we will try it. I like it. I like that a lot. Right, I'm not going to take up too much of your time, but that is it on me. I like it. So, there we go. Oh, wow, it's pretty. I look silly, but I don't care. I'm just doing my video on my beauty box. So, yeah, that is it. Makes it a little bit interesting, doesn't it? Maybe, I hope. Right, so this is the Pure Fabulous Wild Garden. This is like an edged perfume. It is a perfume. You can just pop this in your bag, I would suppose. It's going to be a small one. It's not going to be super large. Oh, is it? Oh, it's definitely handbag size. Because you can put that in your handbag. Oh, it looks nice. I do like the box, by the way. 10 out of 10 for that box. It is gorgeous. Excuse my nails. I am trying to grow them. But that is a beautiful box. And as well as a beautiful bottle. So we will open this. And hopefully it smells like lilies and... what's supposed to smell like water lilies and everything really nice. So I'm just going to use my declaration. I'll actually just put it on my hair to smell it. Does anybody else do this? Or is it just weird me? Oh, it smells gorgeous. That is really, really a nice scent. Does anybody else put scent on their not on their perfume, on their hair? Because I think I'm really strange. I tell you. I love the scent of that. That is really, really, I'm so happy with it. That has made my box. I love it. Glossybox, this box this month, you are blowing me away because it's amazing. Oh, wow. So, I'm happy with that. And these all in my hand. Oh, wow, these are gorgeous. Love, love, love these. I've got too many of them, but I can't get them all in my hands. This is why I need 3 hands. So if there's a monster out there or something that's got 3 hands, because these are gorgeous. Love these products. This box, 10 out of 10 this month. You did well, Glossybox. So give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel because you need to. And I will see you all in my next video. And also, give me a little help. Press that bell and it will let you know when I've uploaded. Bye bye for now.